Hello, hello, Vivian Joy here on a very blustery, beautiful, sunny Friday. And today's Natter That Matters has got a slightly different twist. The lady that was supposed to come on it isn't very well actually, so I thought, what shall I do? Do I find someone to step in, or do I discuss the natter that really matters, which is the natter and chatter that goes on inside your head? And I know that you know what I'm talking about. The natter, the chatter, the continuous, endless self-talk. It's like your own running dialogue, your running commentary of life, the ifs, the shoulds, the coulds, the woulds, the don'ts, the ifs, the buts, all of that stuff that's going on in your head on a regular basis. And what impact is it having on you? Sorry if all you can hear is blustery noise, it's very windy here today. I think there's a hurricane or something coming, but it's beautiful here in Norfolk. What is your head telling you? When you think about doing things for your business, for your life, in relationships, in friendships, for money, all of the things that are the cogs that keep our life turning around, what are you thinking to yourself as that's going on? Are you thinking, oh, this is a good opportunity, this is a good idea, I can do this, I've got this? Are you a cheerleader for yourself? Or are you the sort of person that knocks yourself back? Well, you're useless. Why would you do that? You're never going to be able to do that. You haven't done it before. God, who are you to think that you can do that? The self-deprecation, the self-loathing almost sometimes. Definitely the self-debilitating rather than the self-empowering and motivating. Which are you? Now, you hear me talk about this a lot. And you'll have heard me ask these questions if you've watched or heard or read or done anything to do with me. But actually, I want you to really focus in on this, because whatever you're saying to yourself on a daily, hourly, weekly, monthly, minutely basis is creating your reality. What are you saying to yourself? What are the most frequent things you hear yourself saying? I want you to get a pad and pen and actually start to write them down as you hear yourself saying them. Because then you can catch them and realise that they are not the things you should be saying to yourself. And actually, if you are saying things that are very empowering, you're probably not watching this video, you're probably not part of my community, you're probably having a beautiful experience, rocking your business, rocking your world, financially, mentally, emotionally, feeling like you're winning, proud of yourself, all of the things that we need to feel empowered from the inside out. And I'm not talking about empowerment as in motivation. There are lots of coaches out there that are motivational coaches and they do a fantastic job. I'm very good friends with some of them, where they'll give you that insight, inspiration. I'm talking about motivating and dedicating to yourself. This is empowerment from within. Because if you haven't got that, you are going without a big chunk of what should be going on in your world. And so, this is the most important natter that matters, the internal natter. And if yours is not empowering you, you really do need to sort it out. So this week I was going to come live every day and talk about different beliefs and things that were going on. I did a post earlier in the week, if you saw it, of the 7 things that I hear most actually. And then on Wednesday I had the day off, we went and collected a new puppy, and actually my internal dialogue wasn't, oh, you need to get onto your business, you need to do this, you need to do that. My internal dialogue was, oh my god, this is an amazing day, you have a new family member. I'm sure if you're friends with me or you see anything, you'll have seen pictures of Eddie. It's a 15-week-on rescue, Bichon rescue that we got from a home in Cambridge that couldn't look after him, to cut a long story short. So actually my self-talk around Wednesday was, well, actually today is not the day to focus on work or business. It's really not. Have you had that sort of day recently where you haven't felt compelled that you have to be in the business? Trust me, nothing changed in my world. My clients still want to come coaching, my clients are still there, everything is still running as it should. I did a few social media posts in the morning for half an hour or maybe, didn't take much of my time. And then yesterday, actually I didn't feel very well when I woke up, which is really unusual for me, and I had a client session booked in, and I knew I wasn't at my best to give a 3-hour breakthrough session to a client. I definitely wasn't. And so my self-talk wasn't, oh my god, what will the client think if I let them down? My self-talk was actually, I need to look after me first, and the client will understand, and actually it may be better for the client. So sometimes in life things happen that are sometimes better for other people as well. And so I just messaged and explained I wasn't feeling on top of my game, I wasn't feeling in the right space. Very rare for me to cancel a session, it's not something I do. In fact, probably I can count on one hand in 5 years the amount of times that's happened through illness or anything actually. And she was very understanding and said, fine, you know, hope it's all good, hope you're feeling better. And then today, and then last night we had somebody arrive, so I'm running a retreat in September. It's sold out, unfortunately. You can't come to this one. It's in Somerset with Sue Royal, who is a friend and a collaborator and a client actually, Friday, where we spent the evening sorting out exactly what we're going to do and how amazing it's going to be. We are running one in April next year in the UK again, because, well, I don't know about you, but I'm not running and planning anything abroad at the moment because who knows what's going on. So yes, if you are interested in that, please drop me a line and I'll send you the link for the wait list. That will be mid-April next year. And so we spent the evening doing that. And the self-talk was around, this is amazing, it's fun. I felt much better. My body had had time to recover from what had ever happened to me in the night on Wednesday. And so here I am on Friday thinking, well, I don't need to be telling myself off for not working. I don't need to have any of that self-talk going on. And it's been a beautiful, glorious day. And I almost feel like I've had a break. I know that we're obviously the weekend's coming. I know that I've had the time I needed. And I remember a time in business and in life when I didn't do that. Do you do that? Or do you tell yourself you have to keep going? Do you think that the world will end if you stop? Because it won't, I promise you that. Anyway, so just thought I'd jump on here and have a natter that really matters. You can probably see my dog in the background. There's one of them. Don't know which one that is. I'm running a mindset reset. It starts on Monday. It's to set your beliefs into the direction that are going to support you. Everything you have in your life, in your brain, is supporting things that keep you safe at the moment, let me tell you that. And for success, safety and success don't tend to go together. You have to step outside of your comfort zone. You need to reach another place and you need to change your mindset for that. So even if you're thinking, I don't need to reset my mindset around beliefs, everything's okay. If you want to go from okay to absolutely super or fantastic, or, you know, to stretch and structure yourself and your business differently, you need a new mindset for that. So it could be that you just need to reset and reevaluate your belief system for that. So the people that are on this program, there's over 200 registered for it already. They're not all got problems. Some are now stretching and going sort of to the next level. So if you're that person, please sign up and come and sort out where your mindset needs to be for the direction you're going in. So you can sign up, it's completely free. We have a welcome meeting on Sunday at 7 o'clock. It's all online, and you'll be in very good company with other entrepreneurs and business owners, and I look forward to seeing you then. So making sure that you've got the natter that matters correct, that chatter, that self-talk, exactly as it should be for you. Have a great weekend.